Hello and good day sa inyong lahat, mga brothers, and if there are sisters watching us out there, thank you again for stopping by to our channel and watching this video. Today we are out heading to Edmonton to pick up our Honda Fit. Ayan, kakatapos lang ng Honda Fit natin na may pinturhan. Tinawagan na ako ni Mr. Bill, excuse me, and he said that our Fit is ready to go. Ayan, it's such a beautiful weather outside. Ayan, napakaganda, green na, no? And yeah, springtime, kasama natin as usual. I am with the fam bam, Sebi here, my two boys back there, and then the sleeping head, my love right there. And so we are now heading there. Actually, kanina pa kami nagbabiyahe, mga 40 minutes na, and I think we still have an hour left sa trip natin, and then we'll be there. Ayan, let's go, boys! Guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa stopover. Nagpahinga muna ako, nag-stretching muna ako. Sobrang inaantok ako, kakapagod. Wala pa siya tayo masyadong tulog. Tingnan nyo kaganda rito. Ayan. Ayan itong ating Black Panther. Ayan, nilinis ko ito nung isang araw eh. Ayan, natumihan na naman. Dami na namatay na napatay na mga insekto. Ang linis yan. Ito strap natin, double check lang natin ulit. Ayan. Everything is looking good, boys. So tulog lang tayo kaunti, then go na ulit. I think we're already halfway. We still have maybe 45 minutes.
One hour later.
Kawawa ang RAM natin. After mong nilinis, ng pagkalinis-linis. Ayan na, malapit na nating makita ang Fit. Di muna tayo bababa ngayon, baka makagat na naman tayo ng aso. Check. Ha? Yeah.
Oh, Undercoating.
Oh, hindi ko na video. Ngayon, magantay na lang tayo sa truck ng go signal.
Hi, baby.
Sa may bukirin nakatira yung ating pintor. Meron siya ditong meron siyang shop.
Baby, marunong nga si Wally malak. Hilap. Baby, look mo si Wally mo. Cautiously ka na. Pwede ikaw. Gawin chan mo ba, di ba?
Ayan. Ito yung makatik doon. May nakatayo doon sa pinto. May nakatayo ba doon? Ha? Ano yung nakatayong yan? Hala ko may nakatayong tao. Nandun na yung mga aso na sa loob ng bahay. Or daw. Ayun sila. Ayun yung mga aso. Ayun, doon sa pinto. Nakakulong na sila. I'm glad. Thank goodness. Oh, there's our feet. Ayan. Wait lang, maniobra muna. Ang pakagat ng aso. Kailangan pa kasi nating i-tape yung bumper, tsaka yung hood, tsaka yung roof para hindi
Sumalwat.
madumihan. No? Tulungan mo ako.
Lamalwat.
No! Kalit lang ng sasakyan. Tatakot na ako dun sa mga doggy nila. Ang luwang nito, no? Siguro maintenance dito, ang hirap na. Nakatali nga yung si White, yun naman dalawa. Good to go?
Good to go.
The other two are good? Oh, yeah. I came in peace, doggies. Yeah. Hi! Good to see you, man.
See, like, I don't know what happened that day.
What is he bringing?
It's an old tire. He loves it. That's his favorite toy. Here's your keys.
Hi.
No, don't worry. I got him. Okay, that's that's your keys.
Okay.
That's I don't have any extra paint left like on the other car I had.
Yeah.
And but I kept the label. That's the paint
Thank you,
like,
Mr.
so if you ever need to match up or anything,
yes,
don't lose that, or write it down, or take a picture, whatever you need to do. That's the label off the paint can.
Oh, thank you, Mr. Pill. Thank you so much. Yeah. Looks so good.
Yeah, well, again, it's been sitting out for a couple days.
Yes.
3 days, 4 days.
Oh, if you don't mind, I'm filming, but I won't put you.
Yeah, don't put me on.
Yeah.
You want to break your thing.
Yeah.
Get behind you.
I'll blur you. There's our ride. Looks so nice. Oh, you've done such a great job, Mr. Pill.
You gotta remember, you gotta get a power pop, eh?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Like it needs, that's just right out of the gun.
You know what amazes me is even without the buff, it looks...
Just by buffing it,
Look
it
at that.
takes any little dust bunnies out.
It even has like a blue metallic.
That's what I'm saying, Nate. That's a beautiful color. I love it.
Yeah.
I did one this color before.
What is it called again?
I forget what it's on the label.
Raven black.
Yeah.
Wow. Amazing, Mr. Pill. Amazing job.
Yeah. There's one little, that's just the dust bunny. When you buff it out, it'll buff out.
Oh, it will go away.
Yeah, that's just dust.
Right. That's just the clear coat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I fixed the crack.
Yes.
But it's no guarantees.
Yeah.
You know what I mean.
Wow.
Got a new one. I tried to find one at the auto record down the road. They didn't have one.
Yeah, this is the ugliest part right here before.
That smashed up. Yeah. Yeah, and then you had one dent on the roof there.
Right.
Like on the sill here.
On the sill, on the side there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so amazing. Amazing job. Wow. Look
I
at
just
that.
blew the dust. It wasn't been cleaned or nothing.
Yeah.
On a well. I don't wash cars with well water.
You had to remove all this, Mr. Pearl?
I put bumpers I had off.
Wow. I'm just so happy.
Good.
Okay. Ayan, na-strap na natin ang ating Honda Fit. Nilabas ko na kasi yung aso. Nililigiran na naman ako. Anyway, maalikabok na kagad kasi nandito tayo sa Bukirin. I-tape lang natin to ng mabilis. Sana hindi tayo pagalitan dito. Nandito tayo sa side of the road. Ayan. I-tape lang natin ng mabilis. And then, we're gonna be good to go na. Ano lang to. Ayan. So, let's go. Okay guys, ayan. Na-strap na natin. Partial junk pero that will do. So it's all wrapped now. Next natin gagawin is to remove all the stones sa ating wheels kasi this are tires. See, ganyan. Lilipad yan. Kawawa yung ating fit sa likod. As much as possible tanggalin natin ang mga yan para paparating na sasakyan paano masabasaan na. Ayan. Okay. Next is this one. This is what I hate kasi pag malaki ang gulong mo tends to and so far so good. Let's rock and roll, boys. Okay, rock and roll. Okay guys, excuse my face at saka yung ano man nasa mukha ko kasi it's actually the next day now. So what I've been doing is painting the underneath or yan yung subframe ng ating truck kasi yung mga rust and nagde-build up dahil sa moist and during winter. Ayan, so kaya may napadpad na ganyan sa mukha ko because I've been using this. It's really nice black asphalt undercoating, ano. So anyway, eto ang ating feet. I just removed the tape now kanina earlier. It's still dirty, dusty, pero I just parked it overnight kasi I had to go to work early. But anyway, ito siya. Pero may nagpil kanina na clear coat. I tried to fix it, but that's okay. It's just a side mirror, and at least it's not the body part. But overall, I'm very satisfied sa ating paint job by our painter. Nawala yung mga dents and rust. So, ayan, dito yung bad side noon eh. So, yeah, we're gonna end our video here. I'm just gonna finish what I've been doing here with the truck. Niwas ko lang and I'm just buffing it a little bit here, you know, to bring back the kasi pinaint ko to, hindi ko binuff eh, hindi ko finish. So anyway, and also this corners here nagra-rust kasi kapag tumitilapan yung mga bato tumatama dyan. So lagyan lang na natin ng black asphalt undercoating and yeah, so I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to our channel. I would really appreciate it, although there's only few of us, but hopefully someday soon dumami tayo and maging successful ang ating channel. Anyway, maging man successful or not, I would continue posting videos para makatulong din if with the tips and all. So excuse my face, all the dirt on my face. So yeah, thank you for watching. God bless you guys. Bye bye.